Hello, curious thinker. Today, we're going to explore the world around us together. Ready to uncover its secrets? There's so much happening all around us, even in things we don't always notice. Some things grow, move, and change. Others just stay still. Let's discover the difference between what's living and what's not. Living things can grow, move, and even change over time. Like a small tree growing fruits, like a graceful deer nibbling on fresh grass, or leaves changing color through the seasons. These signs show us what it means to be alive. But not everything around us is alive. Some things just stay still. Like a bench, a backpack, a lamppost, or rocks. These are non-living things. So, how do we know if something is alive? Scientists look for clues, things that all living things share. We call them the characteristics of life, things that all living things can do. Let's explore some of these characteristics together. For example, all living things need food, water, and air. They grow from small to big. They move, even if just a little. And they change as they live. If something does these things, it's alive. But if it doesn't eat, grow, or change, it's non-living. Living things can also make more of themselves, like birds laying eggs or plants growing seeds. They respond to the world around them, and they use energy to stay alive. Non-living things don't do any of that. They don't eat, or grow, or have tiny parts working inside. They might move if we push them, but they don't move on their own. A stuffed animal, a book, a pencil, these are non-living things. They're helpful, they're real, but they're not alive. If something eats, grows, moves, changes, and responds, it's living. If it doesn't, it's non-living. The world is full of both, and each has a place in our lives. A tree gives us shade. A chair lets us rest. They're different, but both important. So next time you look around, ask yourself, is it alive or not? What clues can you find? And what stories do they tell? Because learning to observe is the first step to thinking like a scientist. And science starts with you.